Hi guys, we continue the teardown of Sperry SFIM autopilot. Today the radio coupler module, so I guess maybe it is for coupling the autopilot to radio navigation system, maybe. By the way, I did find not any information on the web about this autopilot. The only results that pop up are my own website, where I did publish some photos of it a long time ago. And a few websites try to sell the service manual, but it is not far from $100. Apart from that, it is impossible to get any information. So this module is a bigger one, as you can see. I did already remove a few screws to save time. So this is really junk now. So what do we have in here? This module is constructed differently from the others. As you can see, we have 4 sides and stuff in the middle. Luckily enough, there is a hinge here, and it will be possible to pop it open and see what there is in the middle. So here, first at this end, the big connector and a bunch of relays. This box, I do not know what it is, but there is only 4 connections on it, it seems. Here we have 1 or 2 transformers. Okay, so on this side we have a bunch of resistors on soldering posts with Teflon insulated ones. We have capacitors, 1 golden leg transistor, and as you can see there is a few unpopulated holders here. Not sure why it is for. Maybe it is for extra parts which are not populated here. On this side we have lots of capacitors. They must be this one are sealed with glass ends, so this must be good ones. This must be just electrochemical caps, but not polarized, it seems. We have here more transistors. These are mysterious parts. It is written 1000 ohms, so maybe they are just resistors, precision resistors. Yes, plus or minus 1%. And here we have what seems to be 4 glass body diodes in an aluminum block, maybe for thermal coupling. On this side, more of the same stuff, exactly the same stuff. And here, nothing, except we can see a bunch of relays. So, now I will open this, flip open this part. It is with undoing this screw. So here we are, as you can see, inside quite a bunch of wires and a few more transistors. This round black things must be relays, I believe. Some kind of relays. Yes. And here we have these weird black modules, which are completely mysterious. You have numbers written on it for you if you want to Google them, but so there are, each of them have 3 sets of wires going out, and it seems it is filled with some white compound as silicon or something like this, sealing compound. So they must be full of this. So. And here you can see more wires in the bottom with a row of relays. some more capacitors here, and well, it is all for this module, which does some kind of radio coupling. So in the next video we will have a look at the most interesting modules of them. Thanks for watching, bye bye.